consent as a lifelong practice, because, you know, I did my first Wheel of Consent workshop. I first came across the Wheel of Consent actually when I was doing my sexological bodywork training,
Mm.
and I didn't quite get it. So I went and did a workshop with Betty, 5 days like a pro with Betty Martin, and fucking loved it. It opened so many doors in my mind. It's just like, wow, fucking hell. It was amazing. And so I started to get it. But what I very quickly realized was, unless I stay with the concepts, unless I am bringing this into my daily understanding and my daily interactions with other people, it slips. So I went to another one. I repeated it again because I loved it so much, and because it really helped me kind of bed the theory in. And you know, I still don't get it right every time. I still make mistakes.
Human.
But I think, yeah, yeah. So what I do feel though is that the Wheel of Consent has given me the tools to notice an embodied sense of when it's a yes and when it's a no, and when there's a spectrum, because it's not just yes and no, there's a spectrum of responses. It's given me the tools to listen to my body, the wisdom of my body, and my body knows, even if my mind is telling me I should do this, or I'm not safe, I should do that, or why aren't they doing this? They should be doing that. You know, my body knows. So the Wheel of Consent has given me the tools to feel into my body, this embodied sense of where I am on that spectrum between hell yes and hell no. And it's also helped me to develop the communication skills to express that in a way that other people can hear it.
Yeah.
And it models for other people how I want them to interact with me. And it gives me the tools to say, this is how I want to interact with you. I want it to be clean and clear, and I want you to really understand where I'm coming from and how is that for you. So, you know, obviously I'm a convert.
Same.
Yeah, absolutely. But it has changed my life. It's changed my life as a practitioner, as a sex coach, as a tantric masseuse. Um, and it's changed my relationships hugely. It's given me confidence just to kind of go, okay, if this person can't hear me when I'm being vulnerable and when I'm really expressing something that's important to me, then they are not the right person for me.
Mm.
So I feel really empowered by the Wheel of Consent, most definitely. Yeah.
Yeah.